Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Apple iCloud sign-in on Windows 10 step-by-step clearly. To start, open your web browser on Windows 10. Type in the address bar, www.icloud.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the iCloud website. Once the page loads, click on the Sign In button. Enter your Apple ID and password in the designated fields. Click the arrow button or press Enter to proceed with signing in. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your Apple device for a verification code. Once you receive the code, enter it into the verification field on your Windows screen. Click Continue to complete the sign-in process. After a successful sign-in, you will have access to all iCloud services. To authorize your device, go to the settings on your Windows computer. Open the iCloud app if you have it installed, or download it from the Apple website. Once installed, open the iCloud app. Enter your Apple ID and password again in the iCloud app. After entering your credentials, click on Sign In. If prompted, enter the verification code sent to your Apple device. Select the services you want to sync and click Apply. Congratulations, you are now authorized to use iCloud on your Windows 10 device. You can access files, photos, and other iCloud services directly from your computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.